Hello friends, let's continue with our series. For the lecture number 16, we will be learning about typecasting in Python. So let's begin. What is typecasting? Typecasting means converting one data type into another. Alright. So basically when you convert a data type into a different data type, it is known as typecasting. It is useful when you want to use values in a different form, like converting a string into a number for calculations. There are two types of typecasting. Implicit typecasting. This cast typing is done automatically by Python. Python converts one data type into another when it makes sense, and this functioning is done automatically. For example, int plus float becomes float. Why? This is done for clarity. Then we have the explicit typecasting. In this, the typecasting is done manually using built-in functions. You can choose the type you want to convert a value into. The common typecasting functions are we have int x, which converts x to an integer. For example, int 5, it goes to an integer. We have float x, convert x to a float. Example, float 3.14. Alright. We have string x, converts x to a string. Example, string 100 gives a string of 100. Alright, so one thing I want you to understand, the 5 here, this is currently a string. Alright, no matter what you think, this is a string, and after applying the function it has been converted to an integer. Again, this is an integer type, or it's basically an integer, and after the typecasting is performed, it is converted to a float. This is a string, and this string is converted, this is an integer, sorry, and after the typecasting it is converted into a string. Again, we have this bool x, whatever the value of the x, it will be converted to boolean. So bool 0 gives false, bool 5 gives true. Alright. List x converts x to a list. Example, list ABC, it gets converted into a list. How? Via typecasting. Tuple x converts x into a tuple. Example, tuple 1 comma 2 gets converted to 1 comma 2. Alright. This is not tuple and the tuple itself, this is tuple and the value of x, so remember that. Then we have set x, which converts x to a set. We apply set operation on a function and it gives a set. What is the property of the set? No duplicate values. As you can see, the duplicacy has been removed. This is one of the advantages of typecasting. You will know more about it as we proceed further in our course. For now, that will be it. Thank you for watching the video.